Hi guys, David from RV Wholesalers with another one of our Versus videos. Today we'll be talking about using a water filter or not using a water filter, and this is one of the most simplest Versus videos we've ever done. For your family's protection, for your RV protection, for your investment protection, use a water filter. You know, guys are like, I don't want to use one, you know, they're expensive, they don't last very long, I have to keep replacing the thing. Well, listen. This keeps you from bringing iron into your coach, right? If you got a little bit of leak on your garden hose, now you got iron running down the side of your coach that you can't get off. It keeps iron out of all of your sinks, out of your toilet, out of your shower, bathtub, that sort of thing. It keeps you from having to clean up a mess. One of the worst things that you can find in your water is manganese. If you get water inside your hot water heater, once that manganese gets heated up, it leaves a terrible odor, kind of smells like raw eggs or worse. Again, you just don't want it. So how do I avoid it? Use a water filter. Best thing to do is use an inline water filter, even if you're filling your freshwater tank. Put it on the garden hose, run another garden hose out the other end. Filter that water as you're filling your freshwater tank. Always keep one hooked up to the side of your coach. We always use a backup in ours as well, another water filter. Usually the manufacturers install one somewhere underneath the kitchen sink or bathroom sink, so you have quick, easy access to change them out from time to time. But make sure you use a water filter. Don't be the people that didn't use one. You're going to get a lot less when you go to trade in your RV because the water system stinks. You've got stains in your bathtub, stains in your sink, stains in your toilet. Nobody wants that. How do you protect your investment? How do you protect your family from illnesses? And how do you protect your RV? Get an inline water filter. Hope you enjoyed this. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube page. Follow us on Facebook. If you have any questions, want to purchase one, give us a call.